So I'm just getting out to this service call on this Lennox heat pump. Complaint is no heat. It's winter time, and yeah, that's what their complaint is no heat. Got out to the rooftop unit. It has a call. I checked my low voltage here, and I do have a call for heat, and obviously the unit's not doing anything. Next I checked for power. I did have good power. As you can see, I have some pretty major damage to this start capacitor here. So next I just kind of started going through testing everything. Tested my run capacitor, and my readings were much lower than what they should be. Just changed my meter to capacitance and pulled these wire leads off the top, and I tested everything out. This is a dual capacitor. Obviously there's a note on here I can see it's replaced back in 2010, so about 10 years ago it was replaced. My readings are lower than what they want, so I just check what the readings are on the little nameplate of the capacitor right here, and then when I took my readings up top, they just were not in the parameters they should be for my condensing fan motor and my compressor. Next thing I did is I pulled the wires off my contactor and capacitor, and ohmed out the common run start components of the compressor. I usually test everything from the wire. I just kind of look for breaks. I was always trained never to pull off your wire leads from down below inside the compressor compartment while the system has a charge in it, just for the fact that if you have corroded or damaged electrical fitting on there, it could actually blow off with the pressure of all the refrigerant behind it. First I kind of ignored that and I would test from there, but then I've actually seen it blow a couple times. So to me it's just not worth the risk anymore. Over the years of seeing that, it's not worth the risk. I'll just take the chance of a possible damaged wire, and I'll ohm out from the wires themselves. But yeah, once I ohmed it out, I realized I had a short to ground. So I'm going to be writing this up for a new compressor and start components, as well as doing a flush on the line set and new refrigerant and everything like that. This is an R22 system, so I'll kind of let them know if they want to spend the extra money on the charge of the R22 refrigerant. If that's what they want to do, then that's what we'll do. So just gotta get approval from the owner of this business and see if that's the route he wants to go. But for now I'm just going to put a tag in the unit just stating what I found with the information, so that way if anyone gets into this they can see what's going on. I'm also going to shut the power off to the unit just so it doesn't do any further damage to anything. Yeah, that's pretty much everything. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. And then just to add here, for anyone who wants the information, the model number of this unit is a HP29-024-7P. Serial number is a 5805, M as in Mary, 40479. Alright, thanks.